Ever found yourself pondering over the secret to making perfect lemon poppy seed muffins? Today, we delve into the art of creating these zesty, poppy-studded treats that are a delight to the senses. The ingredients needed are fairly straightforward. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Also, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of plain yogurt, and half a cup of unsalted butter melted. To this, add 2 large eggs, the zest of 2 lemons, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Ready your muffin tin, either lining it with paper liners or greasing the cups. In a large bowl, combine the flour, sugar, poppy seeds, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, blend together the yogurt, melted butter, eggs, lemon zest, lemon juice, and vanilla extract. Next, pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Fold gently until they are just combined. Remember not to overmix. A few lumps here and there are perfectly okay. Now it's time to fill the muffin cups. Divide the batter evenly, filling each about 2/3 full. Into the oven they go for 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center emerges clean. Once they're done, allow the muffins to cool in the pan for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. For those who fancy an extra burst of flavor, there's an optional step. Glaze the muffins with a simple lemon glaze made with powdered sugar and lemon juice. To summarize, these lemon poppy seed muffins are a delightful blend of tart lemons and crunchy poppy seeds, all bundled up in a moist, fluffy muffin. The process involves mixing dry and wet ingredients separately, combining them, filling your muffin cups and baking until golden. And there you have it, a simple recipe for a batch of muffins that are sure to brighten up any day.